Now, how can we let the piece follow our finger instead of like we only see the destination and right? It's better to give our a visual hint, right? Visual hint. So, okay. So the idea is we need something. We need the information of our moving finger, right? Luckily, we have another one here. Touch began, touch end, and touch what? Let's see. Touch moved. Touch moved. Okay. So let's give it a try. And let's print out our finger location to see if we have what we need. Okay. Print finger location. Okay. Now run it and we'll move our finger. Touch, move. Oh, is it here? Touch, moved. Yeah, you see? When we move to the top, yeah, it's small, and move to the bottom right, it will be bigger. Yeah, nice. So we'll use this one to let our piece image, right, follow. So we can, when we touch down, let's save the image, save the image for our moving piece. So let's define something here. Can we use, no, we have to use var. Moving image, data type UI image, so equals nil. Okay, so initially there's no moving image, right? So let's put a question mark here. It means it can be nil. And we still need something like moving piece X, okay? Moving piece X CG float. Anything? We don't care. Here we are moving piece Y CG float because we'll use the actual finger location to populate those variables. So when we touch down, touch begin, we'll assign our we'll memorize moving piece image equals what? Oh, wait a minute. We cannot get the information of the piece here. So let's ask our delegate. Right? Let's comment out this one for now. Let's ask our delegate to provide what is the current piece. Okay, so we need the piece to provide its image name. Now let's go to chess delegate, add another one, function name. Let's return the moving piece. Okay, so moving piece okay, so it will return the chess piece Do we need to provide any information for that? Touch down current moving piece. Yeah, let's provide something here because it's easier for our our game engine, right? Chess engine to provide the actual moving piece. So column int row at this location. Yeah. So we don't need the implementation body here because it's just an agreement. So it's not a moving piece. Let's just return the piece, okay? Piece at this location. So now, after we add this one, we break the code in view controller. Compile. Yeah. So it will automatically add this second, right, agreement function. So let's put it under this one here. Because we know our chess engine can provide this service, right? So we can just return whatever we can chess engine dot piece add, right? And what's that? Column, yeah, and the row. Value, what's that? Value of optional must be unwrapped to. Oh, that's correct. Because piece add can return nil. So we need to modify our protocol. So here it will be a piece, right? Or nil. Now let's go back. No, it's here. Now let's put that. Now it will not, it won't complain. Okay, command B. Yeah, build succeeded. So now with this ready, right, we can, in our board view, we can ask our delegate, right, to provide the moving piece. So that moving piece equals chess delegate dot move piece add, right? Add from column and from row. Is that okay? Yeah. So if this guy is nil, it's no harm because then the whole thing will be nil and the moving piece will be nil. That moving piece equal to that. So now we can get the image here. Moving piece image, right, equals UI image named moving piece dot image name. Will it work? Yeah. So if it's nil, then let's see if we can fix that automatically. Default value. That's let's keep it simple. So moving piece. Let's use this cool feature of Swift. We can say if that, okay, it means Only if this guy is not nil, then it will run the block, this block of code. So now let's push this to here. Dot image name. So with this if that here, it means when we arrived inside this block, this guy is guaranteed not nil. Okay, so now we have the moving piece, right? So we can go to the draw piece. touchesMoved, we can update these two numbers, right? Moving X and moving piece X and moving Y. So we can do that, right? Now let's delete this one. So moving piece X is equal to finger location dot X, and the moving piece Y is finger location dot Y. So now we updated this, and finally we can draw the piece, right? Let's add one here. Let's draw the moving piece. So moving piece image dot draw in, right? Rectangle. Yeah, so X is moving piece X, and Y is moving piece Y with cell side, height cell side, of course. Let's give a try, run it. Let's move this palm. The reason why the piece, right, failed to follow our finger is after we update the moving piece X and Y, right, we need to trigger repaint. So here is set needs display. Now let's see, run again. Let's try to drag a pawn here. Oh yeah, it's moving, but better this guy should, right? There's an offset to the center of our finger. Let's fix this. So it means draw moving piece here. We need to move the image to the top left, so by half of the cell side. Let's do it. So minus half of cell side here, minus half of cell side. Now let's see, move same this pawn. Yes, yes. Oh, we see two images here, right? It means we need to hide. Yeah, when we arrive here, we need to hide the moving piece. So we can set it to nil after it's finished. Okay, so when is the moment it finishes? Touch ended, right? So we can set the moving image to nil again. So when it is nil, this will be ignored. right? Neo.draw will do nothing. So let's see. Try it again. Move to put it here. Yes. Move again, move back. So now, yeah, we won't see the double. The last problem is we'd better to hide, right? Hide the original one here. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Is it okay? I move it to here? Yeah. Move to here. Okay. So, how do we hide? Let's talk about this in our next video, okay?